Hey everyone! Today I'm testing Emma's Goodies homemade soft serve and also making churro cones to go with it. First I'm adding 400 grams of sugar to 700 grams of cream, along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm cooking it on low heat just until the sugar dissolves. Then divide it in half because we'll be making this chocolate too. Add 40 grams of cocoa powder to a bowl and add the cream a little bit at a time, forming a paste. This is so we have less lumps in the end. Now strain it. Put the containers in the fridge to cool down for a couple of hours, since it will need to be cold for the next step. Now it's time to whip. I tried to whip mine more than this, but I guess because of the amount of sugar, it wouldn't mix past the soft peak stage. It's fine because the texture, once frozen, was perfect anyways. Do the same for your chocolate cream. Put back into your containers and freeze overnight. Just like Emma, I'm going to spoon a bit of vanilla and a bit of chocolate onto saran wrap. This way we will get a twist when we pipe it. So far you can tell the texture is really soft. I already know it will be easy to pipe. Cut off one end and put it into a piping bag with a star tip. I put it back into the freezer until I needed it. For the churro cones, to a pot add half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Bring this to a boil, then add 1 cup of flour. Stir this for a couple of minutes on low heat until it forms one ball. Add it to a bowl to cool down. While waiting, I prepared my cinnamon sugar mixture for rolling the cones into. That's a 1/4 cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. To finish the churros, add 2 eggs, but only add 1 at a time. Using a mixer will be faster, but mixing by hand is fine. It's gonna look like it's not coming together, but trust me, it will. Add to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. To make the cone, I used foil to make the cone shape and added parchment paper over top. This is a must because trust me, it will stick to the foil. This takes a bit of practice and even in the end mine were not perfect, but I'm confident next time I will perfect this. Now fry at 350 Fahrenheit until golden brown on all sides. Roll it in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Even on the inside, it got nice and golden brown. Once your cone has cooled, it's time to add the ice cream. It piped really easy. I definitely need to work on my piping skills for this, but overall, I ain't mad. My second go at it was already an improvement. So my final thoughts on the soft serve is the texture is perfect. It's really easy to pipe because it's so soft and silky smooth. The only problem I have is how sweet it is. I do find it too sweet, but even with the sugar on the cone, when you eat both the cone and the ice cream together, I didn't find it as sweet somehow. I wonder how much sugar you can cut back while it's still being soft and pipeable. I'd be interested to test this myself. Emma has another video of this soft serve with different flavors, and I wonder if this added flavor will take away some of the sweetness. I'll link both of her videos down below, and you can give them a try and pair it with my churro cones because you may as well go all out, you know? Thanks for watching!
Like and subscribe, please.